this is Sylvia with the Salsa with Sylvia trick of the week. Today I'm doing footwork, a footwork pattern that I challenge you to learn and record yourself doing it. Post it on any social media platform and tag it at Salsa with Sylvia. We're going to keep track of the submissions and we're going to select the top 10 winners. Each winner is either going to get a free workshop at our studio if you're in the DMV area, or you will receive a free instructional DVD in the mail. So hopefully you're up for the challenge. Let's start.
Bonito, salsa y control, con el pasito apretadito, misma, está bien fino pa' mí, goza mi son, ritmo moruno, que vacilón. Salsa la que esté
Alright, let's switch up
está bien
angles.
fino. Salsa la que son gore, que ven veré, oye, mamá.
Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you react, comment, and share. And also, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. Remember to go on our website, www.salsawithsylvia.com. That's where we post our classes, our workshops, and a lot of other good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.